Propelair is transforming the commercial washroom from a collection of passive fixtures into an intelligently managed, connected ecosystem. At the centre of this transformation is HydroConnect, Propelair's intelligent mobile app-based platform that connects Propelair products to the cloud, bringing individual assets and operational insight together in one central place. HydroConnect provides real-time visibility across connected installations, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This transforms operational data into actionable insight, supporting smarter resource management. Instant alerts and notifications enable facilities teams to rapidly respond to challenges, reduce downtime, and move towards a more proactive approach to facilities management. Automated schedules and service prompts help streamline maintenance, improve asset uptime, and support the efficient allocation of resources, making maintenance more measurable and manageable. Real-time usage analytics provide valuable insight into how washroom assets and resources are being used, enabling organizations to identify trends and make better operational and investment decisions. HydroConnect simplifies the collection and reporting of information that supports sustainability, transforming it from an ambition into a measurable and accurately reported business benefit. A connected washroom delivers benefits beyond data. Greater visibility supports faster response, greater uptime, and a better user experience. HydroConnect is the intelligent platform that makes every asset part of a connected and measurable estate. Contour Pro, Flow, Pulse, and Zero, brought together by HydroConnect. Propelair, redefining washroom efficiency.